Good morning, class. Now, today I am going to take the revision of the chapters which are coming in pre-periodic exam of English literature. I am going to take the revision of all those chapters which are coming in your pre-periodic examination. So, first of all, take out your English literature notebook for today's revision, and now today we are going to do the revision as I have told you. Now in that revision, first of all, let me tell you that you have to note down all the questions. It is compulsory for you all to note down all the questions. Nobody will send me just the answers of it. You have to write down all the questions which I have given in the revision. As I have given you 4 questions in today's revision. First one is the word meaning. In the second question, you have to write the poem, 6 lines only, starting 6 lines. In the third question, I have given you answer the following questions, and in the fourth one, there is the fill in the blanks. You have to note down all the questions and write the answers. Like you are writing the first question, there you have to write the answer of the first question, put a line at the end, and then you will write the second question. Like this, you have to continue. Now let us begin with the revision of English literature in our notebooks. Now, as I have told you that today I am going to take your revision test. Now in this revision of English literature I am going to take today. This is from all the chapters that are coming in your pre-periodic exam. Now in this revision test I have given you 4 questions. You have to write the answer of those 4 questions in your English literature notebook only. So first of all, take out your English literature book and start writing the questions and then the answer you will write. So first of all, put today's date, classwork, revision. Question 1. Write the meaning of the following words. In this I have given you 5 words over here. The 5 words which are being given over here, you have to write the meaning of these 5 words. First word is patient, second calm, third go these, fourth tumble out, fifth awaits. Now again, patient, after writing the word patient, put a small hyphen and then write the answer of this. Write the second word calm, again put the hyphen and write the meaning of word calm in that. Third one, write go these, put a hyphen over there and write the meaning of this. Fourth one, tumble out, again put a hyphen mark and write the meaning of it, and then come to the next line. Right. The fifth word is awaits. Same way you have to do here also. Put the small hyphen, write the meaning of this, and then come to question number 2. It is compulsory for you all to note down the questions also. Don't just write the answers of these questions. Question 2 is write the poem O Summer, 6 lines. In this question means that you have to write the starting 6 lines of the poem O Summer. Starting 6 lines of the poem O Summer by Britishi Bandy Upadhyay. You have to write the starting 6 lines. Second question as we have done. Now let us move to third one. Third one is answer the following questions. After writing this heading, answer the following questions. Note down the first question in your notebook, that is, what is the name of the lane behind the school? What do Nani and Winky see there? In this, let me explain you how you have to write the answer of this question. What is the name of the lane behind the school? You have to write the name of the lane that is behind this school. What do Nani and Winky see there? You have to write what do Nani and Winky see there when they went to the lane behind the school. First of all, note down the first question, then write the answer of that, and then write the second question, that is, what does I just find in the place where they played with marbles? You have to write what does Ijaz find in the place? What did he find it in that place where he was playing with just marbles? How does he feel about the surprise? And how was he feeling about the surprise which Vikram have given to Ijaz? Now, first of all, write down the question first, then the answer of it, then again write question 2, and then again the answer of question 2. After completing this, put a small line at the end which will show that you have completed question number 3. Now, let us move to question number 4. Question number 4 is fill in the blanks. In this, I have given you 5 sentences over here. You have to fill in the blanks accordingly. You have to fill the blanks being given over here. In this also, you have to note down the questions. First one is, Quincy, my pet dog, was dashed to see me. Second question is, Shivam is dashed to see his broken toy. Third one is, the little mouse is dashed of the big cat. Fourth one is, Jonathan is dancing with dash. Fifth one is, Mai's parents are very dash of her. Now, here we complete with revision 1 today. Now, in this revision, I have given you 4 questions only. You have to note down all the questions and then you have to write the answer of it. If anyone will send me only the answers, I will put across in that, because you have to note down the questions. It is compulsory for you. Now, again, I will repeat the whole revision for you so that it will be easy for you all to read and then write the answers. Now, let us move to question 1 again. Write the meaning of the following words. Patient. Second one, calm. Third one, Godis. Fourth one, tumble out. Fifth one, awaits. Now, after writing this, put a small line at the end which will show that it has been ended. Question 2 is, write the poem O Summer, 6 lines. In this, you have to write the starting 6 lines of the poem O Summer. After completing the answer of this, put a small line at the end and then again come to question number 3. Question number 3 is, answer the following questions. Question 1 is, what is the name of the lane behind the school? What do Nani and Winky see there? After writing this question, write the answer of it and then come to question number 2. What does Ijaz find in the place where they played with marbles? How does he feel about the surprise? First of all, you have to write the question 2 and then write the answer of it. After completing this question 3, put a small line at the end and move to question 4. Question 4 is, fill in the blanks. In this, first one is, Quincy, my pet dog, was dashed to see me. Second one is, Shivam is dashed to see his broken toy. Third one is, the little mouse is dash of the big cat. Fourth one is, Jonathan is dancing with dash. Fifth one is, Mai's parents are very dash of her. Now, after completing the whole revision, put a line at the end which will show that you have ended with revision 1 of English literature. As you have completed with the revision of English literature, the homework for you all is to, you have to prepare the language portion of pre-periodic exam for tomorrow's revision. Again, I am telling you that you have to revise the chapters which are coming in pre-periodic exam for tomorrow's revision in English language. Thank you.